Welcome! Looking for a professional company to provide you with a solar site survey for your next solar project? Then look no further, as Prestige Solar Services provides a variety of solutions for your next solar, residential, or commercial project. Our team of professionals will come out, assess your roof for any damages, measure any objections on your roof, look for areas for possible solar equipment installation, and check the voltage on your electrical systems. At the end of our site survey, you'll get a detailed report of the measurements of your roof, all the measurements of your electrical system components, and attic if applicable. Give us a call and we can discuss what solutions we can provide for your next solar project. Dial us at 856-425-2207. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe if you'd like to receive more content and education on the solar services that we provide.